Hey y'all, it's your boy Brandon from Fantastic Chair back with another video. Today it's just gonna be a haul. I ain't really been, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I've been recording, but I haven't been uploading no videos. Trifling, I know, but I'm trying to do better, and this is the start. So I went to State Beauty. They had a tent sale, or kind of a garage sale. So they have their shipping dock in the back, and they open up the garage and put a whole bunch of products out back there. I love tent sales, like the bucket sales for hair care products. That's my favorite because it's a good way to try. Got this big old heavy bag. So if you fill this bag, it was $50. So I had got some stuff I wanted. Like, no, fill the bag. It's $50. Just get extra stuff, put it in there, and fill the bag. So it's gonna be $50 each way. So it's a lot of stuff here. I got some. These are mesh sheets. They're from Pravana. I already have some mesh sheets, but I was like, why not get some more? They're also mesh sheets are reusable, which is great. So I can use. But yeah, some mesh sheets. I don't even know how many are in here. Probably like 15 or 20 or something. Got another color brush. You never had too many. This one is pretty wide, so I thought that was cool. I like a wide brush. Helps you get the color on faster. Here's a paddle, balayage, highlight, stuff like that. This is what this is good for. I bought a set of paddles. They're from Frameart, but they're a little bit wider, and one is shorter than this one is longer, but this is another shape, so got that. Here we have this Design Essentials. This is a Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk HTO leave-in conditioner. I've seen this before. I wanted to try it, so I was like, why not? Again, everything in the bag is $50. So everything, I don't know how much anything is individually because I bought everything together. This is the Kukui and Coconut Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner from a Design Essentials, which I wanted to try. I never really have been into Design Essential products like that. I'm more so of a care. I like care. What other? Mazzani too. I'm more of a care Mazzani kind of person than Design Essentials. I never really use their products. So I thought this was a good way to get into them. I got another one of those leave-in conditioners, a Kukui and whatever. This is an edge tamer from Care. I've never tried this before. Looks like a regular edge tamer though, or edge control, like this clear gel kind of looking situation. And they have this for $7, but like I said, everything's on sale. So then I got, let's see what this is. This is the oat protein and henna deep cleansing shampoo. I think I have this already. When I was at the premiere show, I think I bought some of this shampoo. I'm pretty sure I did. Then I have the Bamboo and Silk HTO leave-in. This is a leave-in spray. I'm probably gonna take these products and do like a wash and go or something and see how they work, see how the leave-in is. I'm not sure what I'll use as a styler, probably wet line or something. This is an enhancing conditioner, so it's a purple conditioner by Malibu Blondes, or by Malibu C. I've tried their a clarifying shampoo from them before, and it was pretty good. So I was like, why not? I know their products are pretty decent. This is a color extend shampoo by Raycan. This is for browns. It has a blue pigment, so I think this will also be good for like toning with blonde and stuff like that. I've been using the Matrix blue shampoo lately, so I'll see how this one works in comparison to that. What else we got? This is the Herbal Complex Hair and Scalp Treatment. I think this is kind of like hair grease or something. It's petroleum based, so yeah, it's probably like grease. Yeah, grease with some little extra stuff in it. Well, it smells really good. I know some people are opposed to grease, however, I am not. IGK, I just tried one of their products more recently. I tried the Spirulina protein spray, and I like that a lot. So this is a rateless replenishing conditioner. I think this will be great. The spray that I've used has been pretty good, and IGK products are expensive, so I expect this to be good because it's not cheap. Even for hairstylists, IGK products are kind of hot to me. So I got another one of those bamboo and silk leave-ins. Like I said, I was just buying stuff. I was just filling up the bag because they said fill it up. Never tried this before. This is developer for demi permanents. I don't use pulverized colors, but I figured it's a low volume developer, so I should be able to use it with other demi permanents. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. I think it should though. So I got this Mazzani butter base. This is a scalp protectant for relaxers. I do have relaxed clients, and some of my relaxed clients, I ain't trying to call them trifling, but they will scratch their scalp. They do not care. So like, I need whatever I can do to make their scalp comfortable and keep the application as safe and as comfortable as I can. So I just got this to add on with my relaxers. I don't use Mazzani relaxers, I use a firm. So, but I mean, it's a base, it really don't matter. Then I got another bamboo and silk. Like I said, just grabbing stuff. I got 2 of everything except for that grease stuff. Then I got these. This is a Keep Me Vivid Color Velvetizer. This is like a leave-in conditioner. I have the Keep Me Vivid spray already. And it works pretty good. I like the smell of it and the way that it leaves the hair. This says to apply to damp hair, mid-lengths to ends, leave to air dry or blow out. So this is after you do the spray to put this conditioner on there. It says it's a shine glaze and UV filter. I'm sorry if I sound weird. My allergies. I was outside putting some flooring down, and it's got my allergies cutting up. I don't know what this is. I just got it. This is introducing a revolution in hairstyling that will change the way you style your hair forever. The powerful style is a fully patented pair of ceramic plates attached to blow dryer nozzles, speeding up blow dry times while creating shine, smoother, long-lasting results. So this is like an attachment to the blow dryer. I don't know if this will fit on my stuff because I have the Dyson. It looks like it should fit though. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. Just got it. Why not? Alright, let's see what else we got. I do use sexy hair products, as you can see back here. I have the powder play for retail, but this is a blow dry protection serum. Just getting stuff. We'll see how this works. Only product from Sexy Hair I've used though is the texturizing spray or the texturizing powder, and I think that's it. That's the only things I've used from Sexy Hair. Then I got this. This is a watercolor intense metallic shampoo. So this is gold. So I'm assuming that this will kind of give your hair some gold tint a little bit. New watercolor intense metallic shampoos. Infuse your colored highlighter or pre-lightened hair with metallic tone gold, rose gold, bronze, or copper. So this will be good for like my gold clients, my copper clients. So I'm excited to see how this works. I have never heard of this company. What is this? Tressa? I don't know what this company is, but yeah, I got this gold shampoo. Never seen gold shampoo before. I've seen blue, I've seen purple, never seen gold. And then the last thing I got, this is like a facial thing, so I didn't even know that Malibu Sea sold facial products. So this is a matcha mask, green tea antioxidant, sensitive scalp mask, or sensitive skin mask. Interested to try this. I'm not sure how this is gonna work. It feels like it's powder. Yeah, it's just powder. Interesting. So I'm gonna try this. Then I went to my local beauty supply store, the Normal Beauty Supply, the Black People Beauty Supply. It is a man outside here with his freaking motorcycle making all this noise. Get out of here. Anyways, so I got some Adore hair color because I'm going to be coloring some wigs I have. I have a blonde wig, but I'm going to turn it copper. So I got French Cognac. And I also got Cajun Spice. Just getting the stuff that I'll be seeing people have on Instagram. Then I also have a red wig for a client. I use some demi-permanent color on there, but I don't really want to waste my demi-permanent color on a wig. And like, no. So I got some intense red from Adore. Gonna add this onto the red unit that I have that I'm working on. Then I also got some oil sheen spray. I love the way this Black Magic oil sheen spray smells. I know it's not nothing special or like anything like that, but it's nostalgic. I should have got, I was thinking about getting the cherry kind because that's the more classic smell. But this coconut one smells so good. Like, it smells so good. Ain't nothing special but some just regular oil sheen, but it smells so good. I can't help it. I love it. Then I got some brushes. So I kind of forgot how hard boar bristle brushes go. So I got a boar bristle brush, and I just got this to help like sleek down ponytails and stuff. I have a brush already that I use for that, but it's acrylic, and I just forgot that boar bristle brushes really get down. Recently I got this brush, which is like a paddle brush, and then it also has the boars in there, the boar bristles, and I really like the results that this brush gave. So I was like, maybe I should get another one and use it for different things. So that's what I got these for. One for myself, so because I'm thinking about trying to put my hair back in a ponytail. So yeah, I think it's long enough for show, but I don't know. I just ain't never put my hair in a ponytail. So I got this for me, and this for work. And then I just got this Fantasia's Shining Gloss. This crap has gotten expensive. Like, I feel like when I was like in barber school, when I was in barber school, this was only like $2.99 or something like that. $5.59 for this little tiny bottle, and then the other one was like $5.99. I'm like, really? But I got this just to use for like weave and stuff. I don't really like using it. I do use the Chi oil, but I feel like this is kind of better for weave than the Chi oil. I feel like Chi oil is a little bit better for natural hair. I got this, and that's all for the haul, y'all. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm trying to get back into making videos, getting stuff uploaded. So please encourage me by please encourage me by liking this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm back. Okay, that's it. Peace out.